Hi, welcome to PW Holdings Sage Business Cloud Accounting Software course. In this video series, we will discuss supplier module. From supplier module, we will discuss how to create suppliers, how to enter supplier transactions, and how to generate supplier reports. You can create suppliers from Sage Business Cloud Accounting Software. You can enter supplier details such as address, tax rates, default discount, and much more details. By using custom fields, you can enter additional details in addition to the details available in the supplier module. Let's discuss supplier transactions. From supplier transactions, you can enter purchase orders, supplier invoices, then supplier adjustment, those transactions. You can generate supplier outstanding report, supplier payments report, supplier transactions, supplier age analysis. Those the reports you can generate from the supplier module. And we will discuss in detail what are the advanced features in the supplier module.